explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 16th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is continuous tenses. So continuous tenses के बारे में अब हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे, जो कि तीनों ही कैटेगरी प्रेजेंट, पास्ट और फ्यूचर में डिस्कस किया गया है. So let us begin with the chapter and know about its details. Look at the sentences given below. So यहाँ पर हमें कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं, जल्दी से इन्हें पढ़ते हैं. The monkey is climbing a tree. It is in the present continuous tense. Ranu was drinking tea. This is in the past continuous tense. I will be reading a book. This is in the future continuous tense. Right? Now, they say the continuous tense is formed by simply adding ing to the verb, as in जो continuous tense हैं ये फॉर्म किए जाते हैं सिंपली ing को verb में ऐड करके. राइट? सो इट इज climb plus ing, drink plus ing, read plus ing. Correct? Next. So, continuous tenses exist in three forms. तो यहाँ पर जो continuous tenses हैं वो अपने तीनों ही forms में exist करती हैं. Right? So it is present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and the future continuous tense. Right? So सबसे पहले बात करते हैं about the present continuous tense जो हमें यहाँ पर दिया गया है. Right? Present continuous tense is used to talk about activities happening at the moment. तो ये जो present continuous tense है ये यूज़ किया जाता है जब हम ऐसे एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं जो कि करंट मोमेंट पर भी परफॉर्म की जा रही होती है. That means we are performing those activities while we are speaking about them. Just like if I say I am teaching you, that means I'm currently teaching, right? So that is to be considered in the present continuous tense. Example, I am climbing the stairs, right? So study the given tables to understand the usage of pronouns in the present continuous tense. तो जल्दी से यहाँ पर जो टेबल दिया गया है उसको समझते हैं. प्रोनाउंस के जो यूजेज है राइट प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव द एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सो यहाँ पर हमें तीनों ही फॉर्म्स दिए गए हैं. राइट? इट इज आई, we use am with I and playing. So the sentence becomes I am playing. Right? Next is he, she or it is playing. You, when it is singular, are playing. And we, when it is plural, it is we, you, they, right, are playing. Next, we have the negative sentences. तो अब बात करते हैं negative sentences के बारे में. So it is I am not playing. he, she, or it is not playing. You or we, they or you are not playing, right? Next, we have the interrogative sentences. तो अब बात की जाए interrogative sentences के बारे में. So it is, am I playing? Is he, she, or it playing? Are you, we, they, or you play? Correct? Next, let's move ahead. So the next tense that is given over here is the past continuous tense. तो अब जितने भी रूल्स थे उनको past continuous tense के अकॉर्डिंग पढ़ते हैं. So it is, past continuous tense talks about an action that was going on or was not going on at some particular time in the past. तो ये जो past continuous tense है ये बात करता है एक एक्शन के बारे में जो कि चल रहा था, right? That was going on in the past tense at a particular point of time, यानी कि बीते हुए समय में, right? So it is, Rishi was studying for the test, right? Next, now we have study the given tables to understand the usage of pronouns in the past continuous tense. तो अब जल्दी से इन pronouns के यूज को समझते हैं जो कि इनके past continuous tense में बताए जा रहे हैं. So it is, I, he, she, or it was playing. You in the singular, we, they, or you were playing, right? Next, now we have the negative sentences, right? So, it is I, he, she, or it wasn't playing. And you in the singular, we, they, or you in the plural weren't playing, right? Next, we have the interrogative sentences in the past continuous tense. So, it is, was I, he, she, or it playing? Were you or we, they, or you in the plural form, it is play, right? Next, moving ahead to the future continuous tense. तो अब future continuous tense में क्या होता है? Let's see. So it is, future continuous tense tells about action that will be taking place at a specific time in the future. तो फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस जो है वो हमें ऐसे एक्शन के बारे में बताते हैं जो कि आने वाले टाइम में कंटिन्यूटी में परफॉर्म किए जाएंगे, राइट? एग्जाम्पल, रमेश will be going to the market around 6 p.m. Next, study the given tables to understand the usage of pronouns in the future continuous tense, right? So जल्दी से अब इन टेबल्स को पढ़ते हैं ताकि हम प्रोनाउंस के यूज को समझ सके कि वो कैसे फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस में यूज किए जाते हैं. So first of all we have the affirmative sentences. तो अब सबसे पहले बात करेंगे affirmative sentences के बारे में, जहां पर it is I, he, she, it, you, we और they, इन सभी के साथ हम will be playing का यूज करेंगे. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इट इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. तो अब बात करते हैं नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस के बारे में, जो कि है आई ही, शी, इट, यू, वी और दे just won't be playing, right? Next, we have the interrogative sentences. तो अब बात करते हैं interrogative sentences के बारे में. So it says will, shall or will with I, we, he, she, it, you or they be playing, right? Next, moving ahead. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the continuous tenses in all the three forms and the usage of pronouns in each of the given tense, right? Hello, my little explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with the practice worksheet of the chapter Continuous Tenses, right? So, let's begin with the very first exercise, that is multiple choice questions. And the very first part of it is the monkey is dash a tree. And the options are climb, climbing or climbs. So, the correct option is climbing. So, we write climbing over here. Next, I dash reading a book. I shall be, will be or will. So it is I shall be reading a book. I dash feeling better now. And the options are am, is or are. And the correct option is am. I am feeling better now. Right? Next, fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in brackets in the present continuous tense. तो अब blanks में जल्दी से verb का correct form fit करते हैं present continuous tense में. Right? So just the telephone bell is ringing again. Next, don't disturb her. She is knitting a sweater. Next, world energy demand dash. World energy demand is increasing. Next, my sister dash her summer vacation in Ooty. My sister is spending. Now, next, we have exercise C that says use the past continuous tense in the following sentences. तो अब जल्दी से past continuous tense को यूज करते हैं इन सभी sentences को complete करने के लिए. So it says your telegram came just as I was leaving my office. Next, She dashed sweets when I entered the room. She was eating sweets when I entered the room. Next, the children dashed kites on Sunday. The children were flying kites on Sunday. Next, my mother dashed for me at the railway station. My mother was waiting for me at the railway station. Correct? Next, we have fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the brackets in the future continuous tense. तो इन ब्लैंक्स में हमें वर्ब का करेक्ट फॉर्म भरना है ब्रैकेट्स में से फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस को यूज करते हुए. So let's see how we can do it. So it is, if you go there now, they dash have dinner. They will be having dinner. Right? Next, at this time next month, we dash in the south. At this time in the next month, we shall be traveling. Next, they dash Goa on Sunday. Right? Instead of it, should be they will be reaching Goa on Sunday. Next, it dash probably when you reach home. It will be raining. Right? Now, moving ahead. Next exercise that says complete this conversation using future continuous tense. जब हमें इस conversation को complete करना है और साथ ही साथ इसमें future continuous tense को ही use करना है. Right? So it is what dash you dash tomorrow. I'll be drawing pictures tomorrow. So यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं what will you be drawing tomorrow? And the reply came, I'll be drawing pictures tomorrow. Then, what dash you dash for dinner tonight? I'll be eating pav bhaji for dinner tonight. So it should be, what will you be eating? Right? Next, what dash you dash today? Today, I'll be studying storybook. So it should be, what will you be studying today? Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with these continuous tenses. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.